Hello and welcome back to the channel. Carrying on with the engine rebuild on my VW T4. It's the 2.5 TDI with the ACV engine. So it is the 102 brake horsepower. There's nothing here on the bench for me to work on. And what I was going to do, I was going to strip down the oil pickup pump and have a look at that. But this happened. And then after that, I just gave up on it because closer inspection, I found this. Right, so before dismantling it, I just thought I'd give the oil pickup pump a bit of a clean. And what I have noticed, I don't know how well you can see, but there is a few paint marks on it. Can you see that those Phillips heads, they're all slightly damaged? So someone's already had this apart. So, because I'm not going to be doing the pickup pump at all, we're just going to get a replacement one. I cannot be bothered, not going to waste my time on that at all. Today, I want to try and get this looking a bit cleaner. So I'm going to see if we can get aluminium to look like new. There's a little bit there that looks nice and shiny. But yeah, we want it looking like a highly polished area. Although we won't get it that shiny, but yeah, let's get this cleaned. Right, first of all, we need to sort this out and get rid of this for a nice big bucket of water. Voila, just like that. Right, so the first thing, I want to get it all clean. I have gone over with brake cleaner and tried to get the worst of it off. Now using some soapy water, hot soapy water. I'm going to get the worst of this grime off. And see if we can make it looking nice and shiny for the shiny shows. Let's crack on. Right, well, next thing I need to do is apologise because I went ahead and cleaned it with this like pad, this Scotch-Brite kind of pad, scratch pad. Managed to get all the little bits of bronze and copper or whatever it was from the shell bearings out, give it a good clean, and then sprayed it all down with WD-40. However, I think while I went off to find this, I must have pressed pause on the camera and then I didn't press pause again, so there was no footage, which is pretty peak. So what I done was I did clean it, all of the outside as well, but you can see here it didn't really come up that well at all. So to get, you know, there's still corrosion and marks on there. I mean, I'm not going to be able to get it perfect, but we can make it look a lot better. I mean, already you can see the difference just from taking the worst of it off. I haven't done in and around here yet, but all I'm doing I'm just taking off the top layer of the aluminium, because the way aluminium corrodes, it oxidises straight away as soon as you take that top layer off, and it will start corroding up again. So you're always going to have that sort of, like, as you can see in here, you're always going to have that faint kind of look. Right, well, let's just crack on with it. Another day's work. I've started getting carried away. The idea originally was just to clean out the inside and make sure that there was no bearing or, you know, no materials, debris in there that we didn't want in there. So the external bit was just, I don't know, me getting carried away. You know, compared to what it was, it's not brilliant, but, and it doesn't look like new, okay? So yeah, I wanted it nice and shiny, but that's good enough. So what I've done for now is I've just sprayed everything with WD-40 just to, you know, let that soak in and give it a bit of protection, because I have dry cleaned it, but it ain't coming up. There's still little marks on it. So yeah, I'll get the old air compressor out, and then we'll blow it all off again and give it another clean all the inside, make sure that there's no metal in there, and that'll be happy days. Yeah, so I've got even had that on. I'm going to call it a day for now. I think I've done a fair amount. It's taken me a couple of days to get it to this standard, and if you remember what it was like at the beginning, definitely an improvement. So yeah, next time all about the machine shop and what's getting done machining. So make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and look out for that next episode. Thanks for watching, take care, stay safe.